Stylish Mamas, how you all doing today? It is a Sunday and I woke up today and I was like, what do I wear to church? And it is really chilly in San Diego, shockingly, very cold. So I ended up grabbing a long sleeve maternity shirt and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. And then I thought about it and I was like, well, I'm not that far along. Like I am far along. I'm 4 months as of tomorrow. However, I can still fit in some of my non-maternity clothes, right? So I thought that I would keep that up and keep utilizing my non-maternity clothes and save my maternity clothes for when I really am showing. So that is something that I realized today that I need to kind of keep that in mind, because there's going to be a time where I cannot wear my regular clothes as well as I typically could. So today I ended up wearing this outfit. Check it out. I love this outfit. It's very casual and grunge. I love this jacket. I got this jacket on Wish. It is such a cool jacket. I've only worn it probably 2 times in a little over a year, which is ridiculous. But look at this jacket. I mean, what is not to absolutely love? Look at these studs. They're so legit. This jacket's just wonderful. I mean, it seriously, truly is my favorite jacket I own right now. Look at that. Look at the bottom detailing. Zippers. Who doesn't just love zippers? Zippers. And detailing on the sleeve. What's also cool about this jacket, see the zippers on the bottom? You can take this bottom part of the zipper and you can completely unzip the bottom part and take that part off, which makes it like the shortest part of the jacket. And it hangs like right above your hip. I don't do that because my hips are bigger right now. My hips are just now bigger in general. So I leave that on to hide my hip right now. And it works for me. Granted, when you zip it up, as you can see, it hits my belly right there, and my stomach pooch just hangs out of it a little bit. And my husband was like, you don't even look pregnant. So I just forget when you're pregnant. I forget that you're pregnant. And it's like, to me, I know I'm pregnant in my stomach. And I forget I'm pregnant because I'm so busy with my son. But my stomach is definitely significantly bigger than it was. So to me, any way that can hide it, and this points down, which actually points to your stomach, but the pants I had on, I kind of pulled them up so that it hit me at a good spot where it was kind of right into my pant. There's so much going on with this jacket. Who's looking at my stomach, right? And these shoes. Very grunge. The ombre fade, the worn boot toe. I lace them up by doubling them up top here. These are Freebird by Steve Madden, and they're pretty great. These were another find from my friend who gave them to me. My friend who gives me stuff. She doesn't want any more. She gave these to me. So again, you know, if your friend is a bigger foot and gives you shoes that don't quite fit you, you can put like inserts in to kind of make them not only more comfortable, but you can also, you know, tighten them up. It helps out a lot to make the shoe more comfortable and to make it tighter on your foot so you're not flopping around in the shoe. So, and they're leather, so great. So my outfit was very simple. I didn't do really any jewelry. I just had my emery necklace that I got from Etsy, and I didn't really do much else. I kind of just left it at that. I thought the jacket is a big statement piece and it speaks for itself. I don't really have to add much to it because it is so great to me that, you know, I just make that a ideal point of focus. I just put my hair down. I didn't do anything again with my hair. I just had basic foundation. Sorry, that's my husband. We painted, so he's peeling the tape off the side of the house. I'm in here today because my son's sleeping in our room. He's taking a nap, which is heavenly bliss. So like I said, yeah, I just did Benefit foundation and a very soft pink lip and mascara. I really kept it simple today. I didn't really have any desire to really get dressed up. So that is what I wore. I hope you enjoy my outfit, and I hope that you can find things in your closet that work for you and switch it up. And if you don't have to go maternity clothes yet, stick to the clothes you have. Just make sure they complement each other and it's comfortable on your stomach, comfortable around your hips, because that's what I'm finding right now, that sometimes it's not that comfortable around my hips and I have to kind of just make it work or pull up my pants higher. If it's leggings, pull them up above my stomach if that works. Might not work, might be very uncomfortable. You don't want to do that to yourself. But just make sure it works. And of course, more importantly than anything, the style is about what you want to look like, how you mix things together. It's your own look. So just the most importantly, just be you in it. And that always works best because you don't want to be someone you're not. Okay, I hope you all have a great day. For me, it's Sunday. This probably won't be a Sunday I post this. I usually post on Thursdays. But have a great day or evening or whatever you're doing. Enjoy yourself. Be you. And go out and conquer it, mamas. Each and every day is a new battle and a new struggle, but we all can make it through it if we just push along and try for the best positive pregnancy we can have together. Subscribe below. Stylishly Positive. Subscribe, and subscribe to my YouTube. Positive Pregnancy. Well, it's Stylishly Aubree Lynn, but subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to my Instagram, and that would be awesome because I would love to get feedback from you guys or just get tips from you guys. People who have had more than one pregnancy, or people who are on their first pregnancy, or those who, you know, are struggling to have cooler style. Please just let me know, because it all is a package. It all comes together, and other mamas are inquiring, like myself. I would love to know what you think. All right, thank you so much. Bye.